Let me see. And we are. And we close. And we are live. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another Rebels Capital, aka Connectivity with Success. Yes, came back with another one talking about the stock market, crypto market, bonds, what's going on in the stock market, just to simplify it for everyone to understand. Today is the 11th of June 2026. Yeah, man, that's the day where the World Cup starts. But yeah, man, we're still focused here. Yeah, man, if you like the video, please click like, subscribe. Please, no, maybe so. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So yeah, man, as you can see today, everything is in the green today. Dow Jones is up 0.6, Dow Jones is up, DAX is up, Nasdaq 100 is up by 1%, Nikkei 225 is up, FTSE is up, the Dow Jones as well is up, S&P 500 is up, and the one thing that is down today is the VIX, which is the fear index. It's finally down. People are sick and tired of watching people selling all day, so it's finally down. As you can see here now, we're paying at $21.70. Yeah, man, we are Gucci. We are Gucci to go today. And moving on to other matters like your, let me see here. And the world news in general, what's been happening is that this US and Iran trade is that US forces strike Iran overnight, and then Trump threatens to seize the Kara Island, and then the S&P 500 bounced from a 5-week low as the strike came into a swift end, but volatility remains extremely high. So it's extremely high. It's just to summarize what's actually going on. They're still striking at each other, but yet people are not they're not phased by it actually today. As you can see, everything is looking green. You can smoke it. Even the small cap 2000 is up by 1% as well. So sweet. So yeah, man. So overall, what's happening is we're getting a rebound on every single thing, on especially on the indexes like your S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq 100, Russell 2000. So everything is rebounding back to where they need to be. And then today's biggest winners and losers we have here is Oracle. Oracle is one of the biggest winners today. So, Loki, if you wanted to buy into TikTok, Oracle is the company to invest in or buy into because of all the technology, all the knowledge, all the data is there. Man, that's weird. It seems that it's down now because it was up in the opening bell because of an opening bell happened because of there was AI demand driving the cloud, and there's also what you call these the earnings report came out very good. They are recurring what you call this recurring revenues, right, surged to 300%, making it $455 billion. $455 billion, bro. Yeah, man, that's what's happening there with Oracle. So if you want to invest into cybersecurity and TikTok, that's the company for you. And the second biggest one today was Vista Energy. Vista Energy, it's a energy company, obviously. It's an energy company, obviously. Today it was up by 6%. Um, it was up today because of it was lifted by Oracle's data center energy demand narrative. So yeah, man. So people still need to use more energy. So that drove up prices for this one, currently sitting at 144. It's up by 4%. 4%, beautiful, nice, and steady. And then also chip companies also made a rebound as well, like your Nvidia, MU, a couple of them, actually, quite a lot of them. Even if your fangs, and let me just show you here, fan companies is your Facebook, Fang, Facebook, Amazon. Let me see here. Let me just show you here. Facebook, Amazon, Netflix. Uh, oh shit, and Google. That's the Fang. That's why they call it Fang. The F. Those five companies, 5 to 6, but they keep, yeah, man, they keep changing on a daily basis. Yeah, man, that's what's up today. The semiconductors, that thing everyone has been shorting on. So, yeah, man, and as well as oil prices. Oil prices, if we move to commodities, are also up today due to that little strike happening. Yeah, man, gold is down, silver's down, copper is down, palladium is down in terms of your metals in the commodity space, and then energy, of course, is up. Uh, Brent oil is up, crude oil WTI is up, natural gas is down, heating oil is up. So yeah, man, overall, still the biggest winner in terms of commodities is still heating oil, uh, oil, Brent crude oil, WTI oil, copper, and wheat, and US cotton. So yeah, man, those are the things, sectors that are up in terms of commodities. And then moving on to crypto bros, the crypto bros, cryptocurrencies. Let me just show you here. Let me see. Yeah, man, cryptos are also down bad. Still, they're still down bad, but they're kind of recovering. Um, they're slowly recovering with the stock market as well. So when the stock market recovers, Bitcoin also recovers. They're up by almost 1%. Ethereum is up. Ether is down. Bitcoin, Binance, obviously that is up because it's just an exchange. USDC is up. XRP is down. Solana is up by 1%. Tron is down. Dogecoin is up. Hyperliquid is up by 1%. So yeah, man, the cryptos are just recovering basically. Nothing new, nothing interesting there. And then moving on to currencies of the cryptocurrency. Currencies, the US dollar is up. It's quite up a lot today. Let me just show you here. The US dollar now sitting at $100. It's up 0.34%. It's still seen as a safe haven when things are bad. People just buy the dollar, and it's still the most traded currency in the world. That hasn't changed, so we don't see any recession anytime soon there. So the US dollar is now sitting at a new 2 month high. Like I said, it's still seen as a safe haven when there's war, or when there's war anywhere around the world. And also, the thing that is also making strength in terms of currency is the Swiss franc. It's also a second thing that is seen as a safe haven. It's a safe haven as well. So it's at an all-time 11-month high this year. And then everything else is weak, like the euro to the US dollar, the euro to the US dollar, the British pound to the dollar. So yeah, man, that's what's happening there with those current currencies. Nothing new, nothing special there. And then moving on to bonds, bond, the bond. So the bond is also known as the borrowing market. So yeah, man, the loan market, if you can say that. And then the 30 year today is down, 10 years down, 5 years down. The 2 year is up, yielding at 4.1. So yeah, man, it's yielding at 4.1. 5 years yielding at 4.2, 10 years yielding at 4.5, and then the 30 years yielding at 5%. So yeah, man, with the bond market, nothing really interesting has been happening there. Just to make it sweet, short, and simple, is that the yields are steady to a higher after hotter than expected PPI, which is the economic numbers that I'm gonna go back to. So yeah, man, this is like an indication if the Federal Reserve will cut or increase rate. And now the Iran conflict is dominant driver of these yield curves. So people are still running away to these safe haven things like the bonds and the actual currency, the US dollar, just to make it sweet, short, and simple because the cost of living is high and people don't have enough money to still buy more stocks. So yeah, man, that's what's happening there. And then moving on to other factors, we're gonna go to economic calendar. Economic calendar is what we use when you want to trade with like your dollar and stuff. So the dollar should be up today because of these PPI number. It's production. What is it? Price production index, right? So yeah, man, it came in at a hot number. Oh yeah, yeah. Even the euro, yeah, even the what do you call this? The European Union, actually, the European Union interest rate came in at 2.25% versus the forecast. So they did increase. So they did increase their rates. The European interest rates went higher from 2.5 from 2.15 to 2.4. So yeah, man, they increased rates today, earlier today, and then yeah, man, the PPI is here, came in at 1.1%, and as well numbers like your jobless claims came in at 2,000, no, 22 229,000 versus the forecast of 220. So that is up. So meaning that more people are unemployed, which is bad. That's why it's in the red. So PPI price indexes is also high today. So yeah, man, that was the most important things in terms of PPI. So PPI was mostly driven by oil prices. And then what we are also expecting is the CPI. It also came in at the highest as well. The last time it came in on a number of 0.5 CPI. Let me just show you here. CPI. Here we go. Oh shit. Let me see. Let me see CPI. Is it gonna give me the companies? I must change it. I'll change it. Just to summarize, the CPI came in at 0.5%, and then year over year came in at 4.2, which is the highest since April 2023. And then crude oil inventories is how much oil is being pumped out right now. Now it's sitting at 7.2 barrels last week, which is the seventh consecutive weekly withdrawal. So this shows that a tightening global supply, meaning that there's less oil rolled out overall around the world. And yeah, man, people are still waiting for the Federal Reserve to cut or to increase because of this oil pricing and inflation, oil driven inflation basically. So yeah, man, so your pockets are being hurt because of oil prices. So now you can't go to two different places. Now you can only go to one because of the oil prices. So yeah, man, just to keep it sweet, short, and simple. And then in terms of merging and acquisitions, when a big company is buying a small one, today we had a company called Brookfield, which is a hedge fund. It's buying into another company for oil, basically. They bought it for $9 billion. A company called Cornell Pipeline. I'm not sure if that company is up to date. Let me see. Brookfield is very popular on Wall Street. They normally appear on like your CNBC. Okay, yeah, there we go. It's a hedge fund. This is a hedge fund. So yeah, man, they're trying to dive into the oil company. It's still negative. Current price is sitting at $4.45. So yeah, man, that's one company. It's buying another one for $9 billion. It's a company called Cornell Pipeline. It wants to buy it to expand the North American midstream network. So yeah, man, that was about it so far. And then Abbott Science and Exact Science. So Abbott Science is Abbott Laboratories actually is buying another company called Exact Science. So the stock is up today because of those news. It's still carrying on, so people are buying on that news. So Abbott Laboratories is buying Exact Scientist for $21 billion. So this is just to expand basically. So if you can't beat them, you buy them. So yeah, man, they bought the competition there. And then moving on to insider buying. Insider buying today, we just had a few companies. I'm not sure if I know these names. Okay, yeah, here we go. The only company that was bought today was a company called Horizon Technologies Finance and an MSC Income, and then another one was Matador Resources. So these are like natural gas companies, Matador, and then that was it actually. Yeah, that was literally it. So this is basically like the CEO or CFO buying into the company because he sees the future into the company growing. He sees some sort of growth coming in very soon. And yeah, man, that's about it today. People are still waiting for basically the Federal Reserve. That's it. And yeah, man, that's about it. If you like the video, man, please click like, subscribe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.